Hello, this is Caleb again with another tips and tricks video. In the video today I would like to go over requesting a quote from us. So typically the most common way I'll get quote requests is through the sales email that would be on the top center of the website. If you send an email to the sales@absupply.net looking for a quote with your quantities, your product you're looking for, as well as your shipping address, somebody will certainly get back to you with pricing and availability on that. You could do the same thing just by calling us and requesting it via phone. We will note down what you're looking for and send you a quote that way. Another way that I like to request quotes is, say you're looking for just the standard half saddle threshold on the site, figure the 2746A. You see we don't have it in stock. Quantities 3 or more shipped in 17 business days. If you want an actual human to get back to you with inventory values as well as lead times or the pricing that would come into play here, what you want to do is hit the check inventory button there. Say you need a quantity of 3 of these. You will put your email in, hit submit. You'll see a message, our team of experts are checking with vendors, and you will receive an email with inventory levels and shipping times. This will automatically put onto a report for us. We have people looking at that report. They will reach out to the factory, get the lead time, and confirm the pricing, and they will send you a quote just to the email you use to check the inventory. So a couple ways to request quotes if you are looking for a quote here. Feel free to use one of those avenues and somebody on our team will get back to you with a quote. Thank you very much.
Thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.